Rocket Visa Signature Card App. The pros, the cons. If you're looking for a credit card that promises rewards, flexibility and convenience, the Rocket Visa Signature Card might catch your eye, but is it really worth it? One of the biggest pros is rewards. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how much cash back or points you can earn. With the Rocket Visa Signature Card, you earn rewards on everyday purchases like groceries, gas and online shopping. For example, many users report up to 2% cashback on dining and entertainment, which can add up quickly over a year. Another advantage is flexibility. The card is widely accepted and offers features like contactless payments and digital wallet integration. You can also manage your account directly through the app, making it easy to check balances, track rewards, and pay bills on the go. The card also includes travel and purchase protections. For frequent travelers, perks like travel insurance, rental car coverage, and extended warranty on purchases can save both time and money if something goes wrong. However, there are cons. Some users report that the app interface can be clunky, especially when trying to redeem rewards or check statements. Additionally, the card may have higher interest rates compared to basic credit cards, so carrying a balance could become costly. Certain rewards categories may also be limited, so you need to check if your spending habits align with the card's benefits. In conclusion, the Rocket Visa Signature Card is ideal for users who want a versatile card with solid rewards and added protections. The surprising truth is that while it offers attractive perks, it works best for those who pay off their balance monthly to avoid high interest fees. If you want a card that combines rewards, travel perks, and mobile convenience, the Rocket Visa Signature Card is worth considering, but make sure to manage your spending to maximize its benefits.